how to subtract using small friends concept. I hope you are basics about abacus addition using small friends concept. If you want to have another video on the basics and small friends addition, I have shared the link on the description below. Small friends concept, subtraction, easy and concept include the same as of the additions concept. Here again 5 is the boss and the number includes same is the 4 friend is 1, 3 friend is 2 or 2 friend is 3 and 1 friend is 4. So let's try to subtract 3 minus 1. So step is here is we have to place a first number that is 3 over here. We have to subtract 1, so we have to check whether we have enough beats to subtract in the lower hand. We see that we have enough beats in the lower hand and we subtract 1. So we have the answer 2. Let's take another example. Let's try to subtract 7 minus 4. So the first step is we have to add 7. Now we have to subtract 4 minus 7. So first we have to check whether we have enough beats to subtract in the lower hand. We see that we have only 2 beats over here. So and we have to need the small friends concept. To use the small friends concept, to small friends in small friends subtraction. So the first step is we have to remove 5 on the abacus. Then we have to add the friend of 4. We see that the friend of 4 is 1 and we have to add 1. Then we get the answer 3. Let's do it again. 7 minus 4. So first place 7 on the abacus. Then we have to subtract 4. Now check whether we have enough beats to subtract the lower hand or not. We see that we have 2 beats over here on the lower hand and we need to use the friends concept. We have to check who is the friend of 4. 4 friend is 1. So first step is we have to remove 5. Then we have to add 4's friend 1. Then we get the answer 3. Let's take another example. Let's try to subtract 6 minus 3. So first thing is we have to add 6 on the abacus. Then we have to check whether we have enough beats to subtract in the lower hand. So we see that we have only 1 beat. So we need the small friends concept to subtract 3 on the abacus. Second step includes remove the 5 and we have to check who is the friend of 3. 3's friend is 2. So we have to add in the lower hand 2. Then we get the answer 3. Let's do it again. 6 minus 3. So place 6 on the abacus. Then check whether we have enough beats or in the lower hand. So we see that we have only 1 beat over here. So we need the small friends concept to subtract 3 on the abacus. Second step includes the remove 5 and we have to check who is the friend of 3. So 3's friend is 2. We have to add in the lower hand 2 and we get the answer 3. So, no. Hope you are understood how to subtract numbers using small friends. It is very easy and it needs in practice. And in my next video, I will explain how to add numbers using big friends concept, and I will give you something increase your speed and accuracy. If you have any queries, so just comment below. Thank you.